Water elements not only add a touch of magic to your outdoor space, but also create a symphony of sound and movement that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The allure of water features water has a calming effect, and incorporating it into your garden design brings a multitude of benefits. Soothing sounds. The gentle trickle of a fountain or the soft gurgle of a stream can mask unwanted noise, pollution, and create a peaceful atmosphere. Visual appeal. Moving water adds a dynamic element to your garden, captivating the eye and drawing attention to specific areas. Wildlife space. Ponds, bird baths, and fountains attract a variety of birds, butterflies, and other beneficial creatures, promoting biodiversity in your garden. Increased humidity. Water features can help regulate temperature and increase humidity, especially beneficial in dry climates. Finding the good water feature for your garden. The key to incorporating water elements seamlessly is to consider the size and style of your garden. Here are some popular options to get your creative juices flow. Ponds. Ponds can range from small pre-formed designs to expensive custom-built ecosystems. They are good for attracting wildlife and adding a touch of grandeur to your garden. Waterfalls. From cascading down rocks to a gentle spillway, waterfalls create a dramatic focal point, and the sound of rushing water adds a natural ambience. Fountains. Available in a variety of styles, classic tiered fountains with trickling water fountains add a touch of elegance and movement. Bird baths. Not only do bird baths provide a refreshing spot for refreshed friends, but they can also be beautiful decorative elements, especially with a touch of solar lighting. Matching your water feature to your garden style. Formal gardens opt for tiered fountains with a classic design or geometric water features made from stone or metal to enhance the structured look. Cottage gardens introduce a charming bird bath or a small cascading fountain made from withered stone or terracotta to add a touch of whimsy. Modern garden. Sleek stainless steel fountains with clean lines will complement the minimalist aesthetic of a modern garden. Japanese gardens create a zen atmosphere with a koi pond surrounded by smooth rocks and bamboo plants, creating a water feature space. Now that you have chosen your water feature, let's explore some tips to bring your vision to life. Planning is key. Consider the placement of your water feature to ensure it receives sunlight and has easy access to a power source if needed. Lining up the logistics, research local regulations regarding water features, especially for ponds, and ensure proper filtration and maintenance systems are in place. Planting the good partners for ponds, choose a selection of aquatic and marginal plants that thrive in wet conditions. Surrounding water features with lush greenery further enhances the natural appeal. Lighting up the night, solar lights or strategically placed spotlights can add a touch of magic to your water feature after dark, creating a captivating nighttime ambience. Beyond the basics, unique water feature ideas. Feeling adventurous, here are some uncommon water features to make your garden truly stand out. Waterfalls create a vertical water feature with cascading water flowing down a wall, good for adding a touch of drama to a small space. Disappearing water features intrigue your guests with a water feature that seemingly vanishes into the ground, creating an optical illusion. Fire and water features combine the serenity of water with the warmth of fire for a mesmerizing display, good for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere on cool evenings. Recycled water features get creative and repurpose old bathtubs, barrels, or teapots into unique and sustainable water features. Maintaining your water space to ensure your water feature continues to bring you joy. Proper maintenance is crucial. Regular cleaning clean your water feature regularly to prevent algae and debris buildup.